DeepSeek AI, it's like ChatGPT but Chinese, and it runs at a fraction of the cost. It's been described as a game changer in AI efficiency, but have they been sneakily stealing user data and giving it to the CCP? Well, not really. Users are actually just giving their data to China, willingly.
Here you go.
And yes, before you say, oh, ChatGPT gives their data to the US government, yeah, okay, hold your horses, we'll get to that in a sec. DeepSeek, an AI startup owned by China-based hedge fund High Flyer, is billed as a budget-friendly open-source alternative to ChatGPT. By January 2025, it had surpassed ChatGPT in the App Store downloads, shaking up the tech market. But as users tested it, a familiar trade-off emerged: privacy risks and security concerns. On January 29th, cybersecurity firm Wiz discovered DeepSeek had exposed over 1 million lines of sensitive data online, including user chat logs and software keys.
We found that they had some log streams actually logging data from their own training, actual chat messages that they used to reinforce their own model, and also a lot of metadata about their servers, the models they use, some API keys that they also utilize themselves, DeepSeek API keys.
The leak was quickly locked down, but experts warn that DeepSeek isn't secure enough to handle private information. DeepSeek is already under investigation in Europe, with regulators questioning its compliance with GDPR privacy laws. Italy's even banned it already. Beyond privacy, DeepSeek is actively censoring content. It refuses to discuss historical events like Tiananmen Square, and it modifies answers to match government-approved narratives. Unlike Western AI companies like ChatGPT, which can legally challenge government data requests, DeepSeek is legally required to comply with China's strict surveillance laws. That means if the government demands user data or wants to tweak AI responses, DeepSeek has no choice but to obey. And yes, you can run DeepSeek locally, but does the average user have the know-how to do that?
A locally installed large language model, if you've got a good CPU, and then it pulls down that Docker container.
Nah. Bottom line, AI chatbots already raise privacy concerns, but DeepSeek takes it to another level. If you care about your digital freedom and security, be cautious about which AI tools you trust. Have you used DeepSeek? What do you think of it? How does it stack up to other competitors, and are you worried about how they use your data? Let us know in the comments below.